Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Monday morning Bitcoin look at the charts. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we will go straight over to said charts. So yeah, Bitcoin on the 4 hour. As you can see, we had that 4 hour 9 candle that we were looking out for. Yeah, and a pretty textbook looking pump up on the 9 candle and then slam back down. It's a pretty bearish doji looking candle, but obviously it's only a 4 hour time frame. But yeah, we did take out the low of that candle, and then we did trade down back into our support again. So that was a decent move from about 750 back down to not far off 600. So yeah, off the 4 hour 9 candle, so good move there. So as long as we now take out the top of this candle here and start pushing back up above 10,700, we are still looking good. And that's after having now played out the 4 hour 9, so we can go on another nice set of 4 hour candles to the upside. But yeah, that was a bit of a concern. I mean, we can still play down from here. We can still have weakness from here, and obviously how these markets trade, how the traditional markets trade today will heavily influence the direction we take. But we are looking like we could break up to the top side here. We are obviously towards the top side of the pennant, so that's a one tick for the bulls. We are clearly above this 10,500 10,600 resistance, so we've got that as support. So yeah, that is another tick to the bulls. And then also, well, this will be an undecided. This will probably be the decider. It will just be where stock markets go today. But if we have a look over the S&P futures, they are not looking too bad here. Basically, if we get back above, if we get like a few more points above this 3,380 level in the S&P, I think that will probably trigger a move to 3,400 and above, and then we'll be on our merry way. We need to go and have a look at that dollar index as well. You can see dollar index on the 4 hour here is yeah, well, it's looking like it's not looking strong, is it? So are we playing out a potential well, bear flag, and then we are going to move further down? You guys know my views. Well, we could be. Obviously, we have got a very much increased chance of this going bullish, but it hasn't yet. So yeah, if we, and obviously the direction this goes in will obviously feed into that model. So if we do get back below this horizontal here, if we do get into the low 93s, I think we'll be odds on for more downside. I believe. I think they're going to probably try and agree that stimulus this week, which that should help the downside for the dollar, and then yeah, that should get these markets going. I mean, this clearly is a level we could bounce from and go back, start to go back up again. But yeah, we'll have to keep an eye and see how that plays out. Ethereum US dollar, yeah, still within this well, either a descending triangle or pennant, but it's looking quite a bit like a descending triangle. So we've got to try, and if we're gonna break out of it to the upside, we need to try and do that. As you can see, we got our rejection from the top, and then supported around about the flat base, and we're trying to see if we can get back to the top again. The more bearish looking this one, the more bearish looking Satoshi pairing is starting to drift out the end of the pennant now. So we sort of had a swing failure above, got above, slammed back down, and now we're back above again. So this could actually just start to float upwards now. This could start to float upwards. So yeah, got to keep an eye on that. We could obviously redraw it a little bit. Yeah, we will refrain from doing that, and we'll just give it the benefit of the doubt for the time being. So yeah, really all it comes down to is, are we going to have a bearish day are we going to have a risk on day? Our stock's going to go up, is the dollar going to go down, and is Bitcoin going to go up? And that will definitely govern a lot of what is going on. I think we have got positive I think things generally are positive, especially with the Trump news this week. So yeah, that's it. Quick update this morning. So yeah, thanks for listening. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and we will have another update later on today.